Hello, Mrs. Sadiq. As you know, I'm having to work at home because of coronavirus and I'm isolated. So yesterday we did some science and we did about three different types of rocks, which are sedimentary, metamorphic and igneous. And that was quite fun, and we did it with chocolate. And as you may have been able to tell, me and Rory ate it by the end. And so today we're doing more science, and we're making a volcano that can erupt with baking soda and vinegar. And also you'll need two plastic cups, a paper plate, a roll of sulphur foil, a glug of red food colouring, 50 millilitres of vinegar, 50 millilitres of washing up liquid, and 3 tablespoons of baking soda.
What do we call baking soda in the UK? It's a long word, that one. What is it? Bicarbonate of soda, yeah?
Bicarbonate of soda.
Okay, no, Sam?
The first thing that you do is get a paper cup and a paper plate, and you're going to want to grab scissors, cut out a hole in the top, and then you're going to want some tin foil, and you're going to wrap that round the volcano, and it should look like this.
Why have we put our volcano in the tin tray, Sam?
Just because it can get messy. Although it is going to go down into the plate, we still don't want it to get on the table.
Why is that, Sam? Why is that, Sam?
Because
what are we going to put into our lava?
We're going to put in food colouring.
What colour?
Red.
What are you making?
First thing that you're doing is you're going to mix 50 millilitres of vinegar and 50 millilitres of washing up liquid.
So there's your measuring cups. You can do one in each, you can do them both in the same. So where's the 50?
There.
There, that's it. Okay, so you need to go right up to that line.
Right, I'll do the washing up liquid first then. Right, wrinkle. Oh gosh, I'm afraid that's just gonna... So, oh, nope.
Hold it still. At least it's just soap.
Yeah. If it was that food colouring then...
30, 40, nearly there.
50.
Excellent. Okay, so put that to one side. We're going to pour that into your big jug now.
Yep.
It smells quite nice.
I don't. I think it stinks.
What does it smell of, Sam?
Washing up liquid.
Okay.
It smells off.
So when we've poured that in, what are we going to do next?
Now we're going to try and get 50 millilitres of vinegar.
That's it.
We don't want our place to stink of vinegar.
Okay, stop.
Oh,
How's that?
I'm not yet.
Yeah, that's 50, isn't
That's
it?
50, yeah.
Well done. Okay, shall I pour it in?
Yeah.
Right, what else do we need to add to our mixture?
And then we need to add as much as we want.
A glug, it says there. What's a glug, Sam?
No idea what a glug is.
Shall I show you what a glug is?
Yeah.
And then you know for future, don't you?
Oh.
Oh, I don't want to spill it. Gosh, I've stained myself already. Look at that. Here we go. So, I'm going to do a glug. Are you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, glug.
That's... We did it!
That was quite a big glug, I have to say. What other things might we describe with a glug if you're putting stuff into it? What might you describe with a glug? It's a good noise, isn't it? It's, what kind of noise, what kind of word is it? Do you know when the word sounds like what it is?
No, I don't know.
It starts with an O. on. Have you done it yet?
No. I don't.
Onomatopoeia.
Oh no.
So buzz, glug,
Oh,
those kind of words. Okay, so we've got our mixture. So what do we need to do now with our mixture?
no.
Give it a mix.
Into the cup, filling it to about. So now we're going to pour in the liquid that we've just made into the actual volcano.
Oh. That's it. All the way in. Excellent. Are we in?
Yep.
You ready? And then what are we doing?
And then we're going to put 3
Quickly,
teaspoons
before it leaks.
of baking soda in.
Do you want to do the last one?
I'll take that.
I don't know if we've got enough mixture in there. And then
No, no, no. We need more mixture.
shall we make some more mixture and add it and see what happens?
Yeah, let's make more
It does say
mixture.
experiment with how much vinegar you use. Should we just use some
Oh.
extra vinegar?
Loads. Yeah.
Yeah, should we go
Extra
for it?
vinegar. But now.
Okay, so let's go for it. Let's add another
Oh,
another
look, it's still
100
got
ml
red
of
in
vinegar,
it.
shall we?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Do you want to do it?
I'll do it. This is Gary. Oh no.
There we go, it's coming!
Oh
Ooh. So what's happening there, Sam?
yeah. Now there's a reaction between there's
Which
the baking soda and there's the vinegar.
the bicarbonate
which
of
is,
soda, yeah, and the vinegar.
which is mixing together to make a more bubbly explosion because of this.
Yes.
Whoa. Also, if you want, at the end you can try adding different combinations of vinegar and baking soda to create different and bigger eruptions.